If you have an iPhone, you've probably experienced this before. You plug it in and nothing. Chances are your lightning cable connector may be dirty, oxidized, or corroded. But don't buy a new one just yet. You may be able to fix it up using a little kitchen science. Pin 5 is responsible for providing power and charging. This is the one that often gets corroded. But using some common kitchen cleaners, you can restore this to working order. First thing, dip a Q-tip in 99% isopropyl alcohol, or if you have it, Goo Gone. Then carefully rinse and dry. Don't use anything sharp like a knife or a blade. This will just scratch the plastic. And this isn't going to help you at all. On a second connector, I decided to test using 5% vinegar after the first cleaning. And this really made a difference. So I decided to take both connectors and soak them in vinegar for half an hour or longer. The results were really clear. After another scrub and drying, both connectors are looking much nicer. Hopefully this will help you get a little more life out of your lightning cable. Plugging in my cable again, and hey, there we go. Back in business. Nice. Here's a recap of the steps I took. I hope this works for you too. Thanks for watching.